Hello everybody, in this video I will be unboxing and testing this Samson USB microphone, the Meteor mic. It's a USB connection, it's a condenser, apparently it's being used for podcasting, gaming and video chatting. So let's have a look. This is how it looks like from the outside. Let's just open this up. I'll just grab a scissor. Let's just open this other side. Here we go. Looks pretty small. It's got a silver connections. Looks very silvery color. Actually, it is quite small. It does have the hole so you can connect it to a stand. It's got the buttons at the front. Let me see. It's got the connectors here. So let me take it out of the and put it as a stand. It looks like a spaceship. Well, that's maybe why they called it Meteor. It also comes with a pouch. So this is the pouch. And this is the USB cable. It's got the old style USB cable. It's got a headphone jack as well. Let me plug it into the computer. So the computer picked it up as a Samson Meteor mic. Got the volume control at the front. I guess it's got the mute button here. And it's got the volume control here. I'm now recording using the Samson Meteor microphone. I just want to test the quality of this microphone. It is about 2 fists away from my face. And I just want to test to see how it is. The microphone now is almost a fist away from my mouth. Let's see how the quality is when it's at this distance from the actual microphone. Okay, the microphone is almost 1.5 fists away from my mouth, and this is the quality, and it's almost at eye level. I just want to see how the quality is using this microphone.